Hi there, AJ from the DigiDojo.com with another mini class. Today I will teach you how to use Nunchaku, Tonfa, Hanbo and Jo to what Kancho called build your wrist. So today we'll do wrist training, grip training, because originally karate is designed to grab the opponent and then strike, as opposed to, let's say, the generic karate that most people are used to watching WKF competition. So with that said, let's start straight away. So this exercise is very simple, so you can do everything with a stick. However, I'm going to start off using Nunchaku. So simply take right stance, you're going to make a big move and swing it in front of you. Don't let it come back all the way, because this is not training for a good Nunchaku movement. This is building your wrist. So you want to throw it away and then make a very strong grip to stop the Nunchaku. Alright, so let's do 5 left and 5 right for starters. Ich, ni, sam, shi, go. Alright, high left hand. Hey, ich, ni, sam, shi, go. Okay, high this time 10 times. And you can rotate a little bit if you like. Ich, ni, sam, go, ruk, ich, hach, kyo, jup. Ich, ni, sam, shi, go, ruk, ich, hach, kyo, jup. Alright, let's move on to Tonfa. In this case, for this training, you want to hold the Tonfa down at the bottom. So now we're going to incorporate some steps as well. Like this, but normally you would strike and stop here for basics. Now you're going to use it as a tool for your wrist training. So you're going to strike all the way through and then stop it. Alright? So just shift your weight back and strike. Hey. Ich, ni, sam, shi, go, ruk, shich, hach, kyo, jup. Okay, change over. Ich, ni, sam, shi, go, ruk, shich, hach, kyo, jup. Okay, so next up, Hanbo. That's a short stick. I'm going to give you 2 variations while we're at it. Let it go and recatch. Like this, and we're going to use a rhythm. So we're going to tap. So round and tap. But don't open up your fingers all the way. Tap and then come back. So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other hand. Ich, ni, sam, shi, go, ruk, ich, hach, kyo, ju. Hey, once more. Don't worry about making a perfect circle all the way. You have to train your wrist. So in fact, if you let the gravity pull from the front of the Hanbo, this will give you some extra movement in your wrist, because the weight is pulling your wrist. So just try to relax your wrist, but not relax it all the way, because that will not build it, right? So let it go. Ich, ni, sam, shi, go, ruk, ich, hach, kyo, jup. I switch stance. Ich, ni, sam, shi, go, ruk, ich, hach, kyo, ju. Alright, now with stepping down. Ich, ni, sam. Remember, it's wrist training. Shi, go, ruk, ich, hach, kyo, jup. I switch. Ich, ni, sam, shi, go, ruk, ich, hach, kyo, jup. Now the next one is Jo. Now it's getting a little bit more tricky. The longer the stick, the more momentum, the heavier the training. You're going to put it on the outside of your arm, and you can use this to give it a swing. Ich, ni, sam, shi, go, ruk, ich, hach, kyo, jup. I change. Give it a swing. Ich, and try to stop it going down. Ni, Sam, She, Go, Ruk, Ich, Hach, Kyo, Jup. You can see my left hand is weaker than my right. If I show this one, it has a better trajectory as well as a better control with the grip. So guys, that concludes today's mini training. I challenge you to incorporate these kinds of actions into your training as well. Yes, we have to do basics, but think about the other styles. If you do Wado, you look at the other styles, you see loads of body conditioning. Now, I'm not saying there's something missing for Wado. However, I am urging you to look beyond the curriculum and to understand how you can build a karate body. Thank you for your time, enjoy your training, and like I said before, if you want to know more, if you're looking for more of these methods, head over to the digidojo.com. There's plenty of stuff waiting for you there. Thanks, enjoy your training, and see you in the next one.